And we're doing my first attempt at firing the Doty steam boiler. Getting the fire going now. As you can see, I got a little help here with this little torch. And it's starting to burn pretty good now, so we can turn the gas off. Okay, we're going to try a little live steam operation of this engine. Just warming it up, letting a lot of steam and water come through. Take a look over here. Got about 75 psi. And the fire's coming back to life. Yep. And she's working. Plenty of heat there.